Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm glad to be back. I was on vacation, you guys don't know, for about 2.5 weeks, and I just thought I'd take a little bit of break from YouTube. I mean, I was posting I think for like 60 days straight, so I definitely am still going to be back on the grind. I'm back at it now. I had a great vacation, but with that said, I graduated college and obviously I went on vacation for 2.5 weeks, and now I'm here. So I'm just going to kind of let you guys know exactly what's going to be changing with the channel, any new updates, and then obviously I'm going to be talking about what the title is and how I'm going to be making hopefully about 10K in the next like 2 to 3 months, and how I'm going to be able to do that. The first thing I want to talk about is, if you guys just haven't seen the video, a couple months ago I was looking for an apartment, and I should be moving into my new apartment May 31st, so I'm pretty excited about that. What is that? Today is the 24th, so it's about 7 days from now, or I guess a week, and so I'm going to be having a new setup, having a cool background in all these videos. As you guys can see, I got a new camera for the summer, which is really exciting. It's like a DSLR, much better, pristine condition rather than my other phone, or rather I guess it was actual camera, but definitely that's going to be a new part about it. And one thing I'm going to be changing coming up here is my uploads. If you guys have watched my channel, which most of you have already, I posted every single day, and I had a lot of fun doing that. It was a great experience, but with that said, obviously I was in school and I was just using phone flipping and just kind of business as kind of a side thing, but now it's going to be my main source of income, so I really want to take time to focus on that. But with that said, I still want to provide value to you guys as much as I can, so I'm going to be uploading, so definitely if you take notes on this, if you guys like this content in this channel. But every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday I'm going to be posting, so 3 days a week I'm going to be posting, and I'm going to be posting them at 7 a.m. on those days. So those videos, the reason I'm doing that, again, for 2 reasons. Once I said before was I want to focus on actual business, making income, learning new skills and all that, and YouTube kind of takes a lot of time away from that. But with that said, every video I'm going to be making is a lot higher quality, and the content is just going to be a lot better in terms of I'm going to be spending a lot more time on the editing, and setting more better videos just in general, whether it's the quality of the information. I'm going to be planning it out a lot better. So the quality, I think it'll definitely help you guys, and it just gives people time to catch up on videos. Daily video is more, especially on a channel like this where it's educational and dropping knowledge, it's more of it's kind of hard to post every single day because you kind of run out of content. There's only so much you could talk about with these certain topics, but if you're daily vlogging, showing your daily life, it's much easier because you're actually doing something every day, and you can film that and put it on YouTube. But I'm definitely going to be posting different vlogs, different stuff like that a day, giving you guys more of an insight into my life. But with that said, I want to keep this an entrepreneur, side hustle, main hustle kind of driven channel. So that's just kind of how I'm going to be going through the next couple months. Obviously, I'm getting into a new apartment, releasing those videos 3 days a week now. But enough about that. There's just kind of a background knowledge of what's going to be going on for the next couple of months. But if you guys are here, obviously you wanted to see exactly what I was talking about, and that's how I'm going to be making about 10K in the summer months. And there's basically 3 kind of ways that I'm going to be doing that. One is based on this channel, and that is phone flipping. I'm in a new town now, a much bigger town than I have been, so the numbers that I was getting, a couple thousand a month, should be exponentially growing now. I'm going to be able to start automating my business once I really decide to do that. That's just kind of taking the next leap of faith, I guess, in a sense. So actually doing that, I don't really know when that's going to happen, but I don't really know how it's going to happen. I've talked about it in other videos, but pretty interested to see that. I have the LLC coming. I filed it about a month ago, and it said it was on its way. There's only 2 more steps in the process that it needs to follow, so I'm pretty excited about that. But I have to wait for that to pretty much set up everything in terms of my business. If you guys know what an LLC is, it's basically just a legal thing that helps basically start the name of a business and have legal protection, stuff like that. But also, I'm now going to be starting building my brand here in my town. I'm in Phoenix, Arizona, which is a huge market for phone. It is a seller's market, but There's a lot of cool ways that you guys can find phones. I'm going to be talking about that a lot in videos throughout this summer. Cool new creative ways and stuff like that. But building a brand is something I'm definitely have to start doing, and with that comes like setting up business cards, building reputable customers, repeat customers, and that just happens over time. If you guys don't know, like the phone flipping industry, it's easy to get in, easy way to make cash, but if you want to be in a long term, you kind of have to be in the game for a couple months to really get those customers, get good at what you do, and start to venture in other things to buy and sell. But the second way that I'm going to be doing, and I haven't talked about on this channel, but I'm pretty excited. I'm very, very beginner on this topic, but it's SMMA, and that's Social Media Marketing Agency, and that's something I'm going to be creating or attempting to create. But with that said, if you guys don't know, anything that I try in terms of business ventures, I put 110% in, so I'm not worried about not succeeding. I know I have mentors in that kind of industry that I have been talking with. I've bought a couple different courses because it's a great way to learn knowledge and get that knowledge pretty fast in terms of, I really wanted stuff like contracts, like cold calling scripts, stuff like that. But basically, reach out to companies, do their advertising for them, whether that's an Instagram, like SEO, which is just like Google AdWords, stuff like that, email marketing, Facebook advertising, stuff like that. You can manage everything. You can manage one thing, but it's a pretty lucrative business. I mean, these people are paying you minimum $1,000 every single month profit, which you couldn't reinvest, and I advise that in the beginning. But there's a lot of money to be made, and once you get those customers, you can create them for year-long. Like, this is building a brand. Phone flipping, it could be a brand, but it's something I don't necessarily want to do long-term. And you guys, if you guys don't know, but you should by now, if you watch a bunch of my videos, it is something I have a lot of passion for now. I'm creating a YouTube channel out of it, but this channel will grow with my new business ventures. And that kind of leads me in my third point. I'm just kind of leaving it on kind of an open space to new ventures, new business things. I've been approached by a lot of different people, and I've reached out to a lot of different people on different ways that I can obviously increase my income, because that is kind of my main focus right now. I know money doesn't buy happiness, but money does buy the opportunity to like get life experiences, travel, buy things that you want, whether it's material or vacation, whatever it may be. That's where I'm at in my life right now, and I have no regret about it. So I'm putting in 110% in everything I do. So new ventures, I'm pretty excited about. I don't know what obviously that entails, but I know I'm going to be starting a bunch of different things. I can't really talk about them now because I don't know what they are, but there's always that space for me, because I love trying new ways, and if I fail, who cares? I just go on to the next thing. So if I'm able to find 5, 10, 15 different passive income streams, not even necessarily all passive, but just income streams, I know I'm going to be a very happy man, because more income streams, if one drops, you still have 5, 10, 15 other ones to rely on. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's just a little bit, not necessarily knowledge to you guys, but kind of gives you an insight exactly what I will be doing with this channel, my different businesses, and just my life in general for the next coming months, and more of in the summer. And I think 10K is a pretty low number for me. That is a pretty like humble number in a sense. I know I really want to shoot to reach that goal, but to go way past it. I mean, if you guys don't know, like I'm pretty much putting in the work every single day. This is what I do from 6 in the morning to 2 in the morning the next day. I live for this stuff. I love finding side hustles, main hustles, different ways to make money. I love to share that knowledge with you guys. So if you guys like the video, if you made it to the end, I really appreciate it. But if you liked it, definitely give it a thumbs up. And if you're not in the family, hit the little subscription button down below. And if you want to learn more about phone flipping specifically, I do have that phone flipping Facebook group. It is the first or second link down below. I don't remember if it's that or my course, not the course, but the phone flipping starter pack. That's another first or second link. I don't really know, but it'll tell you down below in the description. But if you're interested in either of that, click the links down below. I have them all there. If you have any questions, or whether it's phone flipping, SMMA, I'll try to answer what I know, or just any like comments or concerns, hit that little comment section down below. Don't be afraid to engage on this channel. We start a conversation. I definitely will engage with you. I answer every single question, whether it's through Facebook or YouTube, so hit me up. I love to get to know you. So with that said, I appreciate you guys if you made it to the end of this video. And with that said, I'll see you on Monday in the next video.